Birds. In. Flight.
This episode is starring Stan and Janice.
Where's my snack?
Where's that bird?
Oh,
Hey, I was looking for you.
oh, here I am.
Did you take my snack out of the microwave?
Was it celery? Why'd you put that in there?
Hey, how'd you know what it was?
Do you like your celery warm? That's weird.
Yes, and it was my snack, and I would appreciate it if you didn't take my snacks.
Okay. I'm sorry. I have another snack if you would like it.
Yes, please. I wonder what snack you have for me.
Here you go.
Ooh, a strawberry. Thank you. This is great.
You're welcome. I'm sorry again about the snack. It's weird that you microwave celery.
Nom nom nom. Strawberry.
Yay!
Yay!
Can we watch it again? Please. I want to watch that again.